Before I make a quick video, this is a 2008 Dodge Caliber with a 2 litre VW engine. It's a CRD model, 140 brake. There's a couple of contradicting factors about removing the alternator, which I want to clear up for a couple of people, because I really could have done with a video when I've done the job today. So basically, there's two methods of thinking. One is that you take the air compressor out via a bracket and you slide the alternator out the bottom and out the wheel arch. The other one is it comes out the top. Now, I've just tried both methods, and out the top is by far the easiest method and is so similar to every other car alternator that I've changed in my time. So this is your air compressor. It's held in with 3 1/2-inch bolts, 2 to the left as you can see just down here, and there's also one over there. If you want to take it out, you can take it out. It doesn't get you anywhere. There's always runs a danger of losing all your gas and oil, like your aircon, costs you another 50 quid to get it charged, which to me is pointless. What you do need to do is remove the idler pulley, which is situated there. This is where your bottom bolt for your alternator goes in. You can't get that bolt out without removing this idler pulley. It's a pain in the arse basically. There's your idler pulley, held in with a 1/2-inch bolt. There's a plastic cover on it, so immediately when you look at it, it isn't very obvious as to how it comes off. Take it off, take the bolt out, idler pulley comes off. You do need to pull a wheel. I've just loosened the side of this tray. Pull a wheel off, get on an axle stand. Allows you to get the belt off. The tension of it's just up here. It's 17mm spring fed design. Just put 17mm ring spanner on it. Pull it, release the belt, pull the belt off. When you're pulling the alternator out, best way to do it I've found is to pull the expansion tank, pull the power steering pump. It's about 5 bolts, all 1/2-inch. Takes about 5 minutes max. Sit them on the top there. Gives you loads of room. I mean, you look how much room you've got here to get it out. There's no reason to start pulling air compressors and crap like that. So hopefully whoever does this job next, this video will be a bit helpful towards you. At least everything's 1/2-inch, everything's roughly the same size. Good luck.